Ooh, a red cardinal, Mommy. Look at all the birdies. I gotta put more bird food out there so they don't have to dig through the ice. Aren't they so pretty? Yeah, because they're starting to fight. I don't want fights. I just want to make sure they all got some food to eat. Yeah. Thank you for everything. Thank you, God. Look at all those birds.